Invention. Air conditioner. The meaning for this: a system for controlling the humidity, ventilation, and temperature in a building or vehicle, typically to maintain a cool atmosphere in warm conditions. Invention year 1902. Invention place America. Inventor Willis Haviland Carrier. Born November 26th, 1876. Died October 7th, 1950. Inventor history. Willis Haviland Carrier was an American engineer best known for inventing modern air conditioning. He studied at Cornell University, graduating in 1901 with a BS in engineering. Willis Carrier designed the first system to control temperature and humidity in 1902. In 1915, he co-founded the Carrier Engineering Company, which became the world's largest manufacturer of air conditioning equipment. Carrier was purchased by United Technologies Corporation in 1979. Right, so that's it. That's for the session. Thanks for watching. Bye.